everyone, welcome to Bio Universe. I am Suyanka and today we will discuss mitochondria. Before that, please subscribe my channel. Mitochondria are a membrane-bound organelle. It is also known as chondriosomes. It is responsible for producing ATP, which is the main energy currency of the cell, and so it is also known as powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria found in all eukaryotic cells except mammalian RBC, sieve tube of phloem, etc. Word mitochondria are derived from Greek word mitos and chondrion. Mitos means thread and chondrion means grain-like. In 1880, Colliker discovered mitochondria as granules in muscle cells. In 1890, Altman established it as cell organelles and called them bioblasts. In 1898, Banda termed mitochondria. In 1900, Michaelis discovered that Janus green can be used as stain for mitochondria. Shape and size of mitochondria. Mitochondria are of cylindrical and sausage shape. Mitochondria in yeast cell is spherical, kidney cells is elliptical, and liver cells is elongated. The size of mitochondria is variable. Commonly, mitochondria are 1 to 4.1 micrometer in length and 0.2 to 1 micrometer in diameter. Chemical composition of mitochondria. It contains 60 to 70% proteins, 25 to 30% lipids, 5 to 7% RNA, DNA, and small quantity of minerals, traces, granules, manganese, calcium phosphate. Structure of mitochondria. Mitochondria are bonded by an envelope consist of two concentric membranes, which are inner membrane and outer membrane. Membrane is a smooth membrane. It is permeable to a number of metabolites due to presence of porins. A few enzymes connected with lipid synthesis are located in the membrane. It is poorer in proteins as compared to inner membrane. It is 60 to 70 angstrom thick. Inner membrane is enfolded inside the matrix. Such folding is called cristae. It is permeable to only some metabolites. It is rich in double phospholipid called cardiolipin. Protein content is also high, being 70 to 75% of the total components. It is also 60 to 70 angstrom thick. Outer chamber. It is also known as intramembranous space. It is a space between inner membrane and outer membrane. It is 80 to 100 angstrom thick. Enzymes for beta oxidation of fatty acids are present here. Inner chamber. It represents the core of mitochondria. It is filled with matrix. It is rich in enzymes of Krebs cycle. It also consists of RNA, DNA, and granules of inorganic salts like manganese and magnesium. Inner membrane contains respiratory chain and oxysomes. Respiratory chains takes part in electron transport. A component of stopped tennis racket-like particles called oxysomes. It is also known as Rackus particles or F0, F1 particles or elementary particles. Each elementary particle has a base, a stalk, and head. Base or F0 subunit is 11 nanometer in length and only 1.5 nanometer in thickness. It is embedded in lipid part and made up of hydrophobic proteins. The base or F0 subunit function as protein tunnel. Stalk is 5 nanometer in length and 3.5 nanometer in breadth. It connects base with head. It is also possesses coupling factors that connect respiratory chain with the elementary particle. F1 subunit or head is 8.5 nanometer in diameter. It is made up of 5 types of polypeptides. It functions as ATPase. Functions of mitochondria. 1. Mitochondria performs Krebs cycle or tricarboxylic acid cycle of aerobic respiration. 2. ATP synthesized into mitochondria provides energy for all cellular activities. 3. Krebs cycle for respiration provides intermediates for synthesis of cytochromes, chlorophyll, ferredoxin, hemoglobin, etc. Amino acids, glutamic acid and aspartic acid are formed from alpha ketoglutarate and oxaloacetate of Krebs cycles. 5. A number of fatty acids are synthesized in the matrix of mitochondria. 6. Mitochondria can store and release calcium. 7. In tissues specialized to produce heat, mitochondria possesses leaky inner membrane that depresses ATP synthesis and energy generated in oxidation of food and released as heat. 8. Along with plastids, mitochondria take part in direct transfer of traits from mother to the offspring as the cytoplasm of zygote is mainly formed as zygote of the ovum.